Hey everyone, Mr. Airsoft Poundage here, and with me as always, my trusty Steyr Og. You're probably wondering why I'm not using the M4A1 yet. The reason being is I'm having some technical issues with it, and Old Reliable here does the job just fine. Today's subject is one that we all hate, especially come this time of year. The little bastards come into your house and start eating your food. What I'm talking about is mice. Well, today we have a solution for the mice, don't we? Lock and load.
Seems some of it is too strong. Let's try an up-close personal shot. Put the X on.
Because the Steyr Og didn't work, we're gonna have to get melee range. Let's do it. The reason why it wouldn't die is it had one hell of a thick skin. We solved that problem, melee range style. Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to chalk this one up as an airsoft fail. The mouse would have survived if I wasn't armed. Till next time, guys, play safe. And remember, always assume your firearms are loaded and never trust the safety. Until next time, guys, take care.